Hi, and welcome to a short video that I put together for you to show you how to contact support right through your OneLaunch desktop doc search application, or how you just simply get to our knowledge base through your OneLaunch search application. We at the OneLaunch Technologies team have put a lot of effort into building OneLaunch to be super easy to use and intuitive, but we're still very aware that there can be lots of questions that we want to really help you get the answers and get to the bottom of those questions so you can use OneLaunch to its fullest. So without further ado, the three-dot menu top right on the OneLaunch dock is where you want to click to see the menu, and then click Help with the question mark. And once you click Help, right away in your OneLaunch Chromium browser, up pops our knowledge base. So welcome to the OneLaunch knowledge base, support.onelaunch.com. And it's here that we've got countless articles written in topics such as getting started, apps and features, security and privacy, and advanced. So just to click into apps and features, you'll see that we talk about every single app that OneLaunch has created, and additionally all of the features top right on your OneLaunch dock. So we really, with our knowledge base, want to answer any question you might have. So it's kind of do-it-yourself, self-serve support. But at any point, if we're not doing a great job at answering your question, feel free to reach out to us via our contact page. So once you click, oh, I didn't speak to that, but let me just go back. So need additional support, visit our contact page, just click there. And then you're at onelaunch.com/contact and fill in your full name, email, subject, message, any attachments that may be relevant, and click send. And we will absolutely see this, respond to it, and help you get what you're looking for and the answers that you need. If you prefer to not go through the form, you can email us directly. It's support@onelaunch.com. support@onelaunch.com. So right then and there, there's the kind of the two ways that you can get some help, get some support. One is self-serve through the knowledge base. Two is by scrolling down and going by the contact page. If at any point you forget how to get there from the OneLaunch dock menu and clicking through to help, it's very easy to go directly to onelaunch.com. And from our header banner, you can click support, or you could scroll all the way down and go directly to our contact page under Learn More, and support is there as well. For more support, you could read through our blog, lots of good stuff there, or I'd recommend you check out what you're watching right now, which is the OneLaunch YouTube channel. So you're able to click that, scroll down. Oh, we're here, perfect. And at the OneLaunch channel, you're able to actually search. And here, if you have questions about search, the actual search functionality within OneLaunch, you could click that. You can see I've got a couple of videos very specific to search in OneLaunch. So our YouTube channel can be a really, really nice tool as well to get support and answer any questions you might have. So that's it. Do be in touch if you need a hand or have any questions. I hope this video taught you how to go about that, how to get help, how to email us, use the contact form. We'd love to hear from you to give you a hand or to take any feedback or ideas to make OneLaunch better. Thank you very much for watching.